Hi, hello. Uh, okay, so let's create one FDM application. So I'm just going to the FDM page, and now I'm going to create one fresh FDM application. So let us create one FDM application. So since I already created one FDM application previously, but let me create once again from scratch. So admin password is password. Let me click onto the login. This is the login. It looks a bit slow. Let's wait. So since I already explained of creating of FDM application, and after that importing adapters, so up to then we already seen in my previous session. So let's go into the next sessions, and so I just want to create one more time this FDM applications. So up to the, so let me go fast. So up to FDM, like up to the adapter load. So still it's loading. Yeah, so let me create the application name here. So I'll use test2 application name. So you can enter any description. Application path. The application path means where the FDM applications will store. So generally the application will store in our local desktop. So what I'm going to give is, I am going to give the path as, I'm going to give the path let me create, I'm going to give path as a test. This is the path. So when you create the application, FDM application, it will go and store directly into this. I'm giving this path. An application group, this is a shared services where the application will go and store. So one more image, that application will go and store into the shared services, because security and security will be given to the shared services. Let's click onto the DB connection, and DB server name it is asking. So we need to give the FDM. So we need to give the where the FDM application is installed means we need to give the DB server name. So here everything I was installed the DB also in the same mission. So let me give the DB name. This is the DB name, and this is the DB server name and the DB name. Please be noted, for this FDM application database will not be created initially. This DB name will be created automatically by creating of FDM application. Okay, so here I am giving as a FDM DB is name also test1, same as application name. So use Windows integrated security. I'll tell you later what is the use of this. So let me create. I'm just clicking on OK. So after this, let's wait the application. We will be getting a notification like an application is created. Sorry, here I did a small mistake, like I have given the DB name as a test1. So actually test1 is already existing. So I'll use a test2. So let's create application. I'm just clicking on OK. The path, this is already existed. So this error is coming, means this the path whatever we are giving this path, this general, this the application was already existed. So we have to go there, and this is it was already existed, and right clicking and deleting this. So this now today the DB. So okay, so here I am using SQL server, and please be noted that DB name, we should not create a DB initially. The DB will be created automatically whenever the FDM applications creating. So one more thing, so this is we have to note down. So let us wait. We will be getting a pop-up message as it will be notifying like this application is created successfully. Let us wait for, yes, we got a message like application successfully created. Okay, then I am just clicking on the OK button. So our application has been created. Let me go, and if I click on the drop down button, we can see our application as a test2. I'm going to admin, password is password. So we'll check it. So if you click this, we are expecting a error message. Why this error message will be getting here? Because we have created the FDM applications, but it is showing like a warning, like application system code option is not set. Please select the target system key from the application setting. Means what is saying means this FDM tool is not understanding the who is a target person. So it is asking like who is a target person. Please initiate the who is a target person. So what we have to do means, for that we have to import the adapters. So to import the adapters, we cannot able to import the adapters from the web. We have to go for workbench. So FDM applications can be opened into the two methods. One is the web means which is like http://localhost, something like that is called a web page. You can as well as open the FDM applications using a workbench, means from your mission desktop. Here you can see the workbench client. From this, if you click on this, you can open FDM application. The same way we have to give our application name test2, user ID is admin, password is password. So let me click OK. Our applications will be opening. So our FDM application has been opened into the workbench client, and for this what the thing is, FDM is asking the who is the target. Who is the target means it is asking the who is the target person. For that one we need to give a clarity to the FDM tool that who is the target. Here target is HFM. So if you want to mention the target, we need to import the adapters. If you want to import the adapters, we have to come to the workbench. From there, file. First what we have to do means we have to click on the import, browse it. This will be stored under Hyperion products, financial data, quality management, shared component in FM11. We have to go this folder, FM11X. We have to select this X, FM11X GS. Click open. Then we have to select all. Okay. So we now once we import the adapters, this HFM adapters has come like this. Hyperion planning, Hyperion financial planning. And after that, what we have to do means we have to go to the file and register adapters. Okay, imported. Now we have to click on the register adapters. We have to go to the same folder name, adapter components. In this folder, FDM FM11 G5C.dll file. So you can see the two screens, and these two screens will go off automatically. That means FDM application has been created, and what we did means we have mentioned target adapters. Means we have clearly told to FDM tool like that target tool is HFM by importing the adapters. The next step is the mission profile. So we have to give the mission profile, means where this source and target tools are residing. So for this we have to right click on the mission profile, add mission profile. We have to go to where the source mission. So source mission means FDM, target mission means HFM. So we need to go the where is the source mission name and target mission name. But in this tool, here I installed HFM and FDM and SQL Server into the only one mission. So that's why I'll give this server name. This is the server name. Let me give this server name. Source mission is target mission, and it will leave all these things: username and password confirmation. This is no need. Skip this. So now the mission profile has been created. Okay, so now go into the just click to method. Now what you have to do is, now we have created the FDM application and imported the adapters. Okay, so up to this, after that we'll see the next session of like how to initialize these integration settings and etc. Okay, thank you.